Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a black screen after champion select in League of Legends. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type task manager. Click on open it. You just need to find League of Legends. If anything is running in the background, just right click on it and end task it. And after that the same thing for right client. Just right click on it and select end task it. Make sure no background processes are running related to right and League of Legends. After that, just to close stuff here, and now you just need to right click on the League of Legends and select properties. Select compatibility tab and check mark disable full screen optimization and select apply and OK for save changes. And then right click on the League of Legends and select open file location. Right click on the right client services.exe and select properties. Select compatibility tab and check mark disable full screen optimizations and select apply and OK for save changes. After that go back to right games, double click on the League of Legends, scroll down and find league client.exe file, just right click on it and select properties. Select compatibility tab and check mark disable full screen optimizations and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to scroll up and double click on the game folder. In here you can able to see League of Legends.exe. Just right click on it and select properties. Go to compatibility tab and check mark disable full screen optimizations and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close stuff here. Now you can play the game without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.